Hello gentlemen, welcome to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic that's going to transform your hair game completely. Are you ready to learn how to make your hair more attractive than ever before? Let's dive in. Hello gentlemen, today we're delving deep into the secrets of luscious locks and irresistible hair. Whether you're aiming for that Hollywood glam or just want to feel confident every day, this video is for you. Have you ever wondered why some men seem to have effortlessly amazing hair while others struggle to manage theirs? Well, wonder no more, because today I'm going to share with you the ultimate guide on how to care for your hair to be more attractive. It all starts with choosing the right shampoo and conditioner. But wait, there's a catch. Did you know that using the wrong products can actually do more harm than good? Stay tuned as I reveal the insider secrets to picking the perfect products for your hair. Now that we've got the basics covered, let's talk about the magic of moisturizing. Moist hair equals happy hair. I'll be sharing my favorite DIY hair masks and serums that will leave your locks looking and feeling like pure silk. And who said styling your hair had to be a chore? Get ready to unleash your inner hair artist as I show you simple yet stunning hairstyles that will turn heads wherever you go. Here it is, dear gentlemen, the best guide to make your hair more attractive. I hope you found these tips useful and inspiring. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more attractiveness secrets. Until the next video, stay awesome.